In this video, I'll be showing you the best small crosshairs in Valorant to help you improve your aim. The dot crosshair is one of the more popular crosshairs. Turn off outlines and center dot. Set inner lines to 1, 1, 4, and 0, with neither error options enabled. Turn off outer lines. Next is the crosshair. Turn off the outlines and center dot options. Set inner lines to 1, 4, 2, and 0. If you want a bigger crosshair, then set the length to 5 or 6. Disable the movement and firing error options. Also, turn off the outer lines. Next, we have the standard 4-dot crosshair. Turn off outlines and the center dot. Set the inner lines to 1, 2, 1, 3. If you find the space too big, then use 2 for the offset. Disable the movement and firing error options. Also, turn off the outer lines. The final small crosshair we will be showing is the diamond crosshair. Turn off the outlines. Turn on the center dot. Set the dot opacity and thickness to 1. Disable the overrides. For inner lines, use 1, 1, 3, and 0, with the error options disabled. For outer lines, use 1, 2, 1, and 0. Disable both error options. If you found this video helpful, then please leave a like and let us know which is your favorite crosshair in the comments section below.